Hi everyone, my name is Christy and I am so excited to share with you my first ever the Passionistas Project Pack unboxing. Oh, I've been mentioning on my channel how I am just obsessed with unboxings. I cannot stop watching unboxing channels. I cannot stop researching different monthly subscription boxes. And this is one that when I saw it, I just knew I had to try it out. And so this says women owned, women made, and this is about inspiring women to pursue their passions. And that is something that means so much to me. So I'm just so excited about this company. So this is a seasonal subscription box. It retails for $59.99 and it's all products from women artisans or women-owned companies and brands, and I just absolutely love that. So not only does this seem like the most amazing company, they actually are the sweetest and nicest company. I just had such an amazing interaction with the women who own this company, and they are so nice. I am so grateful to have received this box for free to show it to you all. I want to just read what their Instagram bio says, and it's amazing. It says, "We tell the stories of strong, empowered, and passionate women to inspire others to follow their dreams." And they also have a podcast. So if you love podcasts as much as I do, you should definitely check it out, because the products that are featured in their seasonal box are from the women that they interview on their podcast. So I just think that's so amazing. I can't even wait any longer. I just have to see what is in here. It says, "Be inspired to follow your passions." And I do feel inspired to follow my passions because YouTube is my passion, and I'm following it by getting to share this unboxing with you. And for you even watching this, you are helping me pursue my passion, and I want to thank you, and it means so much to me. So let's see. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful this box is. Well, I'll be saving this box as a gift box. Oh, something here smells amazing. But so I love that you get a lot of information. So it says, "Welcome to the Winter Passionistas Project Box," and it's all about pampering yourself, relaxing, which is something I think we should all be doing right now. Oh my gosh, and they even give 25 ways to pamper yourself. I should make it a goal to do every single one of these. Turn off your mind and meditate for 5 minutes a day. I try to meditate every day, but I set a timer for 1 minute and 45 seconds. That's obviously not long enough. Pick up a new skill like calligraphy or needlepoint. Give yourself a gift for the holidays. Maybe get yourself the Passionistas Project Pack. And then, oh, this is awesome. There are all these different cards about the products that you get and about the women that own the products or the businesses. It has questions and answers with these companies. And so this card here has a discount code. It says use the code PAMPERSUB for 10% off your next order of the Passionistas Project Pack. So I'll put that on the screen, you're probably seeing it, and I'll have that in the description down below if you are interested in signing up for the Passionistas Project Pack. So let's go ahead and see what I got. I love that it's all a surprise because it's all individually wrapped. Oh, this is so nice. It really is the best unboxing experience this way. Okay, ooh, the first product I pulled out is actually a bonus gift. So you get a bonus gift for your first box, and it's a charm bracelet. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So here is what it looks like. It says Passionista, and I believe you get a new charm in each box to add on to this. Oh, I'm so excited. And I love this kind of bangle style of charm bracelet. Cute. Next up, I definitely smell something with lavender, which I love lavender, so I wonder what that's going to be. Oh, and then here is my beautiful charm. It's from Imprinted Memories. It says, "Memories tell stories." So it looks like she has an Etsy shop and it's Tiffany Vincent. Cute little picture of her family on the card there. And this is a beautiful purple gem charm. So I'm gonna put this on my charm bracelet as a great first charm. So here's what that charm looks like. I love it. I love the look of my charm bracelet, even with just these two charms on it. So pretty. Ooh, this smells really nice too. So this is, oh, a night of pampering. So it says, meet us on Zoom, January 14th at 8 p.m. And then it says that an Estetica Mia esthetician will guide us through a virtual evening of self-care. And this is so cute. So it's a whole facial kit. How fun is that? And then maybe I'll get to meet other Passionista Project people at that Zoom call. So I'll have to hold off on using these. So we've got cleansing oil, essence water, rose serum, rose lotion. Ooh, a cute little candle. And then not too sure what this is. Guess I'll have to tune into the Zoom to figure out how to use that. I don't want you to hear too much jingling from my bracelet, so I'm gonna take that off for now. But this is such a great idea. Oh my gosh, so cute. I feel like more spas should do that. That's a really good way to continue your business. All right, and then let's see what is in this. Ooh, happiness coaching, 3 sessions package discount. I actually just started reading a book about about happiness. So I am really into these types of things. That's really nice. So this is with Ramona Harvey Coaching. I bet she's getting lots of business from this box. Next up I have, ooh, from Theo and Philo, artisan chocolates, cacao tablia, traditional Filipino hot chocolate. Ooh, it's like little chocolate chunks. I could really go for a hot chocolate. Maybe I'll make this after this video. It says it comes directly from our farmers' tables, rich with the bold flavors of their land and people. Profits from each package goes to the farming community we work with to create better livelihood and opportunities for our farmers. That is so nice. Wow, what a nice gift. I feel like a lot of the products in here would make really great gifts to get people this holiday season. I feel like there are so many things in here too. What's this one? Oh my gosh, this is a shower steamer. Literally, I just learned what a shower steamer was a few days ago. So basically, I'm not even too sure because I haven't used one yet, but you put it in your shower to release kind of like essential oils and just like, oh my gosh, this smells amazing. This is lavender. So, oh my gosh, this is so funny. I wanted to buy one the other day. I was doing some holiday shopping and they were completely sold out. That is mind-blowing to me that I just learned what a shower steamer is. And I tried to get one, it was sold out, and now I got one. How perfect, and I was gonna buy it in the lavender scent because that's what I wanted. Ooh, so this is from the brand Lee Zouche for nourishing and relaxing, 100% natural, vegan, non-GMO. I'm so excited to use this. I'm gonna have to do it on one of those days where I'm not rushing through my shower. When I'm doing one of those days where I can take a really long, relaxing shower, I can't wait to use this. It says all you have to do is just let some water drizzle onto this and let the relaxation begin. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna do that very soon. Ooh, and now we have big product here. Oh my gosh. Speaking of lavender, more lavender that I love and more amazing lavender to use in the shower. This is from the brand Woolsey's Soft by Nature Relaxing Body Wash with fresh lavender, 100% natural. All plant-derived ingredients listed right here. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for my relaxing lavender shower with my steamer and my body wash here. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited and I love a big product. They really pack this full with awesome products. So then here, oh my gosh, slippers. These are so cute. I love the pattern. They look like they're gonna be really soft. And okay, this is really sad, but I don't have any slippers left because my puppy chewed up all of them. I had 3 pairs of slippers, but now I have these, so this is seriously so perfect. And oh my gosh, they are so soft. They are that Sherpa softest material. I am literally obsessed with Sherpa right now. I want everything Sherpa. I want Sherpa to be the only thing touching my body. And so these are so perfect and they are so cute. And my puppy is not touching these. He is not going to chew these up. These are my new slippers and I am so excited. Oh, okay, I want to put these on right now. But before I do that, I should tell you what they are. So these are the Top It Off Cozy Cute Slippers. Ooh, machine washable. That is perfect, very convenient. I know that slippers are a great gift to get people. My mom specifically asked for slippers. That's all she said she wanted. But I'm not giving these to my mom. I'm keeping these for myself. But I love getting slippers as a gift, so I would highly recommend these as a gift for someone. Then you're also supporting a woman-owned brand, which is so important. Wow, so I feel like I got so much value. So this box costs $59.99. It comes every 3 months, but you can get 10% off. Just use that code in the description down below. And I seriously love everything I got. It's such an awesome range of products as well. So you get some fashion products, you get self-care, you get jewelry, you get edible products, everything I like. So let me do a quick recap of everything that I got. So I got the Woolsey body wash, the Lisush shower steamer, the Theo and Philo cacao tablia hot chocolate. I got my charm bracelet with the beautiful purple charm, happiness coaching discount, a night of pampering kit, and invitation to the Zoom to learn how to use the products. And I got the beautiful soft slippers from Top It Off. So let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on this box. Is it something that you would get? Have you gotten it before? Let me know your thoughts on it. And thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.